here we are today with all new locks, deadbolt locks. Remember I was telling you we were having a really bad day? I was, and even when my husband came back, we couldn't even install those other locks, so we returned them, and I ordered these on mobilehomespartsstore.com. Mobile Homes Parts Store. One other outfit I went to locally to try to get a couple deadbolts. They wanted $40 a piece for each of these. So we would have looked at $80 plus tax for 2 deadbolts and for mobile home doors, and I said no. So I went back to Mobile Home Parts Store, which we do order a lot of items on this store. They usually ship them out. I mean, I got them within 3 or 4 days after I placed the order online. And the other one, we just could not figure out how to extend it. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to extend it. Most of them is all you do is turn this, and this part will be extended so it'll fit your door from 2 3/4 to 2 3/8 to 2 3/4, and our door we need 2 3/4. So all you do is twist this. I can't hold the camera and do this at the same time. Let me see if I could put it on a tripod. I'll be right back. Alright, so all you do is just twist it and pull it out. Do you see how simple that was? That locks it for a shorter door. All you do is twist it and pull it out. That's how simple these are supposed to be, but from that JD supply house, it wasn't working. So I put the back door on already. Let's go over there and look at it. Fits perfect. These were like $16, $17, and I have it closed with the full latch to try to break in this door. I'm not going to open it because sometimes these doors come a little bit warped, so I like to do that to stretch it out a little bit. So I'm going to install, and I wish I had someone holding the camera so I could show you how I installed this. I'm going to pop this out and come back and put it in, and then I'll show you. Okay, there I'm back. I have this stretched as well. It's a little tight, but I'm hoping that when we do that it'll break in. But it usually takes like a couple of minutes, which this lock only took me a couple of minutes to put in. Now we have both deadbolt, so they can't break in, and that. Whew. Well, the other thing that I found out the other day when I was here on my bad day, my long 20 some odd minute video was in here. Looks like Steve has to go and fix this. Feels kind of damp. You can see inside there. Seriously. I fixed this, and I'm not going to do it again. Until he finds the leak on the roof, because this is a whole clean piece of drywall, and I can see already some water stains right here. This is new water coming in because this is a brand new piece. So he's gonna have to jump up on that ceiling after we place the boot vent and put a brand new one up there. We got to figure out Could be at the top, the crest of the roof. Could be a darn leak up there, a little hole that he's not seen. But I'm pretty much finished with all of this. Made it nice and pretty like I said I would, and caulked some stuff, and all I have to do is come back and sand this. And I put this back up, did some caulking, so this will get painted. I still have to sand that. And in here I saw a little bit of cracks. I'm going to come back, scrape this all down, make it nice and pretty, so no water can get in here either. It won't stay like that, but I'll file it down and clean it up. And then I decided to come over here in this little section. There was a little crack. Fix that. Sand it down. This is all the little detail stuff that you gotta walk around and look at. Sanded that. I came in here. I had to put this up, so I'm gonna paint this and file this down and put a strip there so this corner is covered. Check all the doors to make sure that they are closing properly. But we're pretty close to getting Gabby in here to clean this up. We're going to come back later, take all the rest of the stuff out of here. One last thing we do have to take care of is this little strip here goes in the windows and on the outside to hold the window into the frame. So we'll be taking care of that on the two bedroom windows that I noticed was loose. I'll be coming in and painting that strip. So the last few minor things, get it cleaned up, painted where I need to, and then we'll be good to go. Have a couple of people that are working on their applications and getting them inside here. Once I finish this up, we'll do a final walkthrough to show you what it looks like. Until then, like I always say, go out and make a great day. Even if it's a rainy day, it's still a great day.